What you doing, Matthew? Look at your boppy pillow behind you.
Chris Baker was close to bringing him down. He just got that away. Third down and 10 now for Jackson State.
You having fun? You can't throw the ball? Get the ball, you get the camera case, there goes the ball. There goes the ball. Drag that camera case along, there you go. Get that ball. Can you get that ball? Yeah. There's the ball. Needs to get that case, huh? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Matthew? Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah. There you go. You can throw it. Oh, yeah.
Jeremy Pierce, the cornerback, left with a shoulder injury, and left tackle Michael Smith left with a...
There you go. Oh, there goes the ball. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Yeah, looks like you're having fun.